Welcome, and we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. Guys, we have a Cadillac Escalade EXT. This is the 2003 that we want to be working on. It has a Cadillac emblem for the front and the rear, just like the factory did. And guys, this is the Katzkin. It's a soft leather in color mahogany, and you can order your Cadillac interior in any color. We have over 60 different colors, combinations, patterns, diamonds, perforations, you name it, we have it, guys. And that you can get at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery technology. Okay, let's take a look at the toy. Beautiful Cadillac EXT 2003. It has seen better years, as you can see right here. That's the damage. This molding is falling apart. Things here and there. Guys, you're gonna have your console. We're gonna be doing this console for this client. And again, guys, we have the emblems back in. We're gonna be changing the whole part because this one is already too soft. It needs a new one. The passenger is fine. Right here, guys, you're gonna have again map pockets in the rear for this. This one is equipped with airbags, and this is the rear. Again, you have Cadillac emblems. And the difference from the Avalanche, guys, this one's for people that doesn't know, it has an additional compartment. Same for the console, is different in this model. And this is to still holding good, but it needs a refreshment. That's what we do in the interior. And also we are changing the color for mahogany, which is gonna be a better choice. And those normally, guys, again, the Cadillac and the Avalanche are different, so this is exclusive for the Cadillac models, and we're gonna be doing all that. And again, guys, if you need anything for your vehicle, virtually for any car, LeatherTeck.com is the place to be by Upholstery technology. So I know, guys, it looks like crap, but wait until I finish this installation so you know how beautiful this interior is gonna look in the Cadillac. Okay, guys, look forward for that video, and remember, visit LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery technology. Get rid of your cloth, guys, or refresh your interior. When those interiors get like that, they're horrible. You don't want to do that, especially to a Cadillac. So visit LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery technology, guys. If you have a question, please put it in the comments. Make an inquiry, give me a call, text me, or subscribe to the channel so you can see the transformations of the vehicles that we do. Okay, guys, see you at the completion so you can see how beautiful these crappy looking upholstery covers are gonna look once we finish the installation. And there you have it, guys, the 2003 Cadillac Escalade EXT. It is completed. Beautiful, beautiful color combination. This is mahogany, guys. Beautiful matching console, double stitch, just like the factory did it. Double map pockets in the rear. Everything to a specification, including the armrest. Beautiful double armrest with a compartment. Guys, if you like it and if you want to get rid of the ugly, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats or you all leather interior, please visit LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. We can ship this directly to your house, home, office, so you can work on it. Or we can recommend you professional installation. Bring it to us right here in San Bernardino. We have this available in any color combination, over 60 different colors. Contrast stitch, piping, diamonds, quilting, you name it, guys. We carry everything. Make an inquiry. Put it in the comments. People on Facebook, please like and subscribe so you can see more transformations on vehicles. And guys, if you think this is nice, please let me know. Remember, we sell leather kits with a 3 years, 36,000 miles guarantee. You don't have to worry about anything because you are protected. And all the features, airbags, everything, we make them. So if you want to upgrade to the next level, you can get heating and cooling. So you can get warm on winter and so cool in the summer. And if that's too much for you guys or the budget is not there, at least get your seat heaters so you are not shivering in your vehicle while you're driving, right? All right, my friends, it's still warm, it's winter still, and please always drive in style. LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Thank you, guys.